embroiling the Transnistria in the Russia-Ukraine war. This region you can see here. This is an independent territory. Some country think it's related to Moldova. Some country think it's related to Russia. But it is an independent territory. It is even not recognized by the Russia till now. So this territory was in the news because of the Russian bombardment over the Ukraine. So it think that the Russia will capture this territory as well. So this was in the news. This is the news of May 2022. So we need to look at the major places near this territory, any port near this territory or the sea near this territory. So this type of question already asked in the UPSC examination. So we will look into it. So if we see that it is a region lying between the Moldova in the west and the Ukraine to the east. Eastern side of Ukraine and the western side of the Moldova. It's a part of the Soviet Union. Initially, it was the part of the Soviet Union when the Soviet Union break up, and this region is act as an independent country. Region is act as an independent country. Some UN country recognize it as a part of Moldova, but some of think it's an independent country. It is not even recognized by the Russia till now. This territory is not even recognized by Russia till now, but यहाँ पे एक referendum हुआ था. In that referendum, people voted in the favor of Russia. We want to go with the Russia, but till now the Russia is not recognized it. Its economy is completely dependent on the government scheme of Russia, as well as the free gas provided by the Russian government. So if we can see in 2006 there was a referendum. In 19% of people voted in favor of Russia, but after the annexation of Crimea, this country also want we can be the part of Russia, but Russia till not recognize this as a country. So some of the country think it's a part of Moldova, some of think it's a part of Russia, but the people of this country having the like a citizenship of all three countries, Moldova, Russia, and Transnistria. So they can go in any one of these countries. So we can say it's having some of them having the dual citizenship and some may be having the triple citizenship. So this is about the region. So let's see about the location. If you can see, this is the region, Transnistria. Here is the Moldova country and Ukraine. So it is between the Moldova and the Ukraine. If you see, there is a port, Odessa port. It's a port in Ukraine. So the location of the Odessa port is become important here. So we need to know where the Odessa is majorly located. It's near to the Black Sea, we can see, and it is in the Ukraine. If you remember, we discussed about the port in the Kenya. There were the three ports we discussed. Mombasa ports, it's the largest port. Then the Limu port and the Kisumu port on the Lake Victoria side. These three ports we discussed in Kenya. Similarly, the Odessa port is become an important part. So the question can be asked, Odessa was recently mentioned in the news. It is located in which of the following sea? So we also discuss about the country of the Black Sea, 6 countries of the Black Sea: Georgia, Turkey, Russia, Romania, Ukraine, and Bolivia. Okay. So this is the major location in the news. So now we have already discussed 20 to 25 locations. Those were in the news. So it's one of them.